Hi, Sally Hancock here, and today I'm going to show you how I redesigned a clock I had. So I'm in Design Space, Cricut Design Space, and I am creating a circle that's the size of my clock face, and then I added a smaller circle and sliced it out to make the hole for the hands. And I changed it to white, and I am just typing out all the numbers for the clock and placing them around in the circle, and there they are. Now I am going to bring in a clock face that I designed in Inkscape because I needed to place the numbers around the clock in the right way with the right spacing, and so I couldn't do it on Cricut, so I just did that one in Inkscape, and now I'm using that to just place the numbers where they need to go. And I've got that ready, and so then I'm just going to hide that. And now I'm going to type some words that I'm going to put on my clock to maybe help me feel more motivated to get things done. And then I wanted to play around with the fonts, and I don't know about you, but I have a very hard time choosing fonts. There's just so many choices. So I chose some fonts, and I can't remember what they're called. The scripty one is called Fredly, and the bold one, oh, it sounded German. It starts with an H, but I can't pronounce it. So I just wanted a bold font that was sans serif to stand out. So for the scripty font, I was just reducing the spacing between the lines, and now I'm reducing the space between the letters to try to put those together, and end up having to do it letter by letter. So I'm just arranging that how I want it to look, and that looks good. And so now I'm gonna put that in where I want it to go. And now I'm playing around with colors so I can see what colors I'd like to cut it out of, and trying different background colors. And I think I want gray, but I'm not sure. So I have a ring for my clock that I'm going to cover with green fabric, and so I make a ring to represent that, to see what it would look like with the green. Change it to green, and I don't like that color combination, so change the now to green and the background to white, and I am happy with that. So now I'm just getting everything ready to cut on my Cricut. I needed to attach the letters for now so that they would all cut out as one word, and then attach also the numbers for the clock face. So here I'm getting ready to cut, getting my machine going, and now they're all cut. So now I'm just gonna kind of put it back together how it should look and save my project, and then exit out of Design Space. So here I am putting my clock together. I chose a white on white pattern that's kind of chevron-ish, and then some green stripy paper for the words now, which the end didn't quite cut out all the way, so I'm just using my craft knife to cut the rest of that out, and then cutting out where it cut out to use as a template where to put the word on the face of the clock. So now I'm just taking off all the numbers, and just putting them off to the side. If you roll your mat rather than pull the paper up, it helps keep them more straight. So I decided to put use the paper I cut as a guide, and I I'm using the white paper to see where to put my circle. And just lining that up. Using some washi tape to tape it down in place so it doesn't move. And now I can glue my numbers on, except my glue is stuck. And so I use my Tombow Mono Liquid Adhesive. And I glued on the front instead of the back of the number, so redo that. Good thing it's clear glue. So just gluing all of the numbers down. Now I'm gonna peel them up just to make sure that they don't glue the paper down. And I kind of moved that one for the 12, so I'm just adjusting that and continuing on. And I wiggled that number 1 for the 10 too much, so just redoing that. And just for a few numbers, I'm making sure that that paper is not sticking to my clock face. Okay, ready to take that off. And now I'm ready to put on my words, so I'm gonna figure out how to make sure that that's straight on there. Line it up on my mat, on the grid, and use my straight edge to put that where I want it, make sure it's straight, and then tape that down and glue on those letters. Off. And do the same thing for the rest of the sentence. Again, lining that up and where I like it. And this one was a little more challenging because I had the little dots and the words were smaller, and so this was a bit more challenging to glue this on, but it wasn't too bad. Now I'm ready to take off the paper, and it reminded me of weeding vinyl. I think I should have maybe just done one word at a time because the glue kind of dried and made it hard to get that paper up. Oh well. Next time I'll know to do less at a time. Some of the paper did get glued down, so I'm just cleaning that off right there. And my little dot for my eye came off, so fixing that. out a little bits that were sticking up. I'm still trying to clean a little bit of that off. And now that is done. So I'm going to use repositionable glue dots to adhere that down. Now I am ready to cover my ring. I have this green fabric that I am going to cut into a strip and just glue around the edges. So here's my strips. And on the left there you'll see a different clock face. This is actually the third time I've tried this project. I have not been happy with the way it's turned out. So this time I am. So I'm just gluing it right around that lip that goes over the front of the clock. Just using Fabri-Tac and just moving it around and gluing it down as I go. So now I'm to the end. So of the one strip, so I need to connect another strip. So I just finished gluing that end. Then I'm going to take my second strip and glue over the end. Just fold it over and then go before the end of the first strip and just glue that on. And then you don't see the raw edge. The other end, just like before, and just finishing up gluing that all the way around. So using a tool because my fingers were very sticky after being in all that glue. So for the other end, I just kind of stretched it a little bit and pulled it down and then glued it on the inside. So I just did that all the way around and now I am finished. So here is my clock face, putting on the hour hand, the minute hand, the second hand, and then adjusting them so that it is at the correct time. And I'm not sure, and so fixing it again. And now I'm ready to put my clock together, putting on the glass and putting that ring back on. And then I need to do the screws. And now it is all done. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching.